Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another Tic Talk episode. And you guys, the watch in front of me here, we have a 1980s Armitron LCD men's digital watch. The model number is 40/6161, and if you look at the back and you pop the actual case back off, and you'll see a circuit board that says 6300T Selectron Eugen Gluck Corporation, which Gluck is a watch manufacturing company since the 1950s, and the CEO is Eugen Gluck, which he is the founder of the Armitron brand, and the guy is like really old. He's been around for a long time. He's almost 100 years old. And if you guys aren't aware, the Eugen Gluck Corporation manufactures watches for a few brands. Obviously Armitron, like the watch in this video, and they also make watches for Anne Klein, known for their women's fashion, Vince Camuto, also known for fashion for both men and women, Nine West, mostly known for their women's footwear and accessories, Badgley Mischka, mainly known for their women's evening wear and accessories. Those are ones that I found on the web. And this particular watch right here, I actually picked this up and kind of brought it back to life. It's a real nice watch. It's really clean. And this watch right here, you don't really come across these watches. This is the first time I actually came across one, and it's a beautiful watch to me. It has that retro look, and right here I'm showing you that the light actually works on it still. Guys, this watch is from the 80s, and it's amazing. It's 40 years old and it's still running the way it is. Pretty amazing. And you guys, I cleaned this watch and I put a new battery in it. It's amazing that everything functions on this watch, but the issue was that after I cleaned it and put a new battery in it, I went to set the time and I had trouble figuring out how to set the time on this thing, but eventually I did figure it out. So I looked online before that and I tried to do some research on trying to set the time on this, and I couldn't find anything. So this video is going to be the video manual on how to set the time. Enjoy the vid. What's good, YouTube? Welcome to another episode of Tic Talk. Now let's set the time on this watch. So you guys, during the duration of this segment and the one following, I want you guys to use this picture on the top right corner of your screen as a reference to which button is being pressed during this video. So like the picture in the corner, the top left button is A, bottom left button is B, top right button is C, and the bottom right button is D. To set the time on this watch, you want to press the B button to enter the alarm setting, and you're going to want to hold the B button for a few seconds to enter the time setting. And now, in order to navigate through the different positions to set the time and date, you're going to need to press the C button. Right now we are currently on the minutes position, which is correct, and the time I recorded this video was really late. It was 1:40 a.m. California time, and I needed to change the time to the time in Kansas, which is 3 hours ahead. So you're going to press the C button to get you to the hour position, and to set the hour you're going to want to press button D to the number 4. And now if you press the C button one more time, you will be at the date setting. The date on this watch was already correct during the time that I recorded this video. Right now we are at the month position. Press button C and we are at the day of the month position, which is March 4th. Press C again and you will be at the year position. Press C again and you'll be at the day of the week, which is Tuesday. We'll change it back to Tuesday by pressing the D button until we get to the Tuesday mark. Press C again and you'll be right back at the time setting. Finally, to set the time, press the B button. And that's how you set the time on this vintage Armitron. Now you guys, I'm going to show you how to set the alarm on this vintage Armitron wristwatch. So in order to enter the alarm setting, you're going to have to press the B button. Now you're in the alarm setting. In order to change the position to hours to minutes, you're going to have to press the C button. Right here we are toggling between the hour and minute position. I'm pressing the C button to change the position that I want to set. I'm going to set the hours, so I'm going to press C to the hour position and D to set the time of that position. So I'm going to press D to set the hour to 12 a.m. right about there. And to finally set the alarm, you're going to press the B button. And this watch has the option to set 2 different alarm times, which is cool if you need 2 alarms. And if you want to turn your alarm on or off, and right now you can see that it's on, the sound wave symbol at the top left corner of the LCD indicates that the alarm is on, right there. So to turn off the alarm, I'm going to press the D button to show the set alarm time. And I'm going to press the C button to turn off the alarm. Press B to toggle in between the 2 alarm times when at the alarm screen. And to set the alarm again, you would have to be at the time screen and you'd want to hold the B button for a few seconds. B again to set the alarm back at the time screen, D to go to the alarm screen, B to go back to the first alarm screen. And remember that to turn off your alarm, press the D button to toggle in between the alarm and the time screen, and when at the alarm screen, press the C button to turn the alarm on or off. So we are now back at the time screen, and it is 4:45 a.m. in Kansas, USA, and there is no place like home. And I hope this video helped you guys, and that's how you set the alarm on one of these vintage Armitron LCD watches, model number 40/6161. This to me is a really nice vintage watch. This particular one is really clean and is in really good condition to be an almost 40-year-old watch. It has a few light scratches on the LCD screen and the metal areas of the watch, but if you like that retro look and you like that vintage fashion and you need to tell the time at the flick of the wrist for convenience without having to pull your phone out, a wristwatch like this is beautiful with a shine. Everything functions and is very convenient if you need to tell the time. So you guys, that's how you set the time and alarm on a vintage 1980s Armitron LCD wristwatch. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a comment down below if you own this watch or at some point did own this watch. Subscribe to this channel if you like videos like this one. Hit that like button and share this video if you found this helpful. Follow me on all my social media. Visit anotherretrothing.com for all your vintage goods. Thank you guys for watching Tic Talk episode 2. One more time, I'll see you guys on the next Tic Talk episode. I'm out. Peace out. Next vid.